Elon Musk puts in PP fan-made photo. His profile picture?
Yeah, have you noticed he has a new one?
I did.
Mm-hmm.
He has a new profile picture. And what exactly is his profile picture? It's a fan-made one, but what is it supposed to insinuate? Oh, he's at a poker table. No. He's at an auction. Where is he supposed to be?
He kind of looks like Ryan.
He does. Well, this is a Photoshop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a photo. It's a Photoshop. So it's his face on. But are we supposed to know this meme?
No, I don't believe so.
I would assume so. Otherwise, what is the purpose?
So it was a whole Twitter thread before he made it his profile picture,
Okay.
talking about Putin and that one-on-one fight that he wanted to schedule. And a reporter, I believe she works for Tesla Mania, said you should put this as a profile picture. And he did.
Look at the lion label on the chair. Like, I just wonder what was the incentive for the person to Photoshop this. There had to be a reason.
So I've been looking into it. I feel like, oh no, never mind. It was put into Mad Lads subreddit. Maybe this meme was a prominent one.
It's got to be
the subreddit.
It's got to be. But either way, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a creative. Yeah. Somebody just wanted to glue his face on some other
because
image.
This is like a really particular.
It's a decent
image.
Photoshop.
Mm-hmm.
Are we certain it's a Photoshop?
Well, you said it.
Well, it just looks like one.
Couldn't find this.
It does look like one. I can't confirm it though.
Yeah.
It's just so hard to figure this one out. I mean, he obviously got dared to put it, so he did.
Which only Elon would do stuff like that.
But as far as us figuring out the origin of this thing,
yeah,
I don't know.
Seems to not be one that I looked out for. Maybe someone can tell us, but
someone says it's not Photoshopped. So there you go. Whatever.
So what? He was playing poker or something?
I thought poker because it looks like I think that might be an MGM symbol. But then I see a little number card. Looks like it says 25 maybe. Mm-hmm. Which someone might have something like that at an auction. It also looks like he might have a walkie-talkie in his hand.
He's got a red band on his other arm.
I see a tiny little antenna poking through. So it could be some type of an event that he's actually at. The lighting is very nice, though, which it seems like he might be outside. These are all
he's also got sunglasses on.
Observation. Well, yeah, I guess. But at a poker table, you
would wear that too.
But I don't think he's playing. I don't think he's at a poker table. Anyway, yeah, he's threatening Putin, and I saw Lex Friedman said that he would actually be the referee if it was to go down.
Oh, okay.
But I started to think more about that offer to fight over Ukraine, and I was like, wait a sec, that seems like I'm sure he would go through with it if the proposal was accepted.
What? Who?
Elon.
He would seriously do a one-on-one?
I don't
with
think
Putin?
So.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
I think he's losing that.
What?
Putin's old.
Putin's 80 years old, is he not? 70?
He's 70.
He's old, but
70 versus 50.
The guy has a lot of experience.
Anyway, that's not,
I kind of agree with.
It's not my point. He's also much larger, but it's not my point. My point was that, like, is it really your right to put yourself? Like, I realize it's just a joke, but you're saying
it can be won. The country can be won by a silly fight.
Exactly.
It seems rude.
Exactly. Yeah. They're like, no, the country can't be won because we're not giving it up no matter what.
Right.
So I'm sure that Ukrainians like the fact that the thing is getting elevated and amplified and constantly being broadcast, but I can also imagine a way that you could take that would be a little bit,
Right.
you know.